My name is Stephanie. I am a teacher from the Riverwood Conservancy, and today I am coming to you once again from my very own backyard, where we are going to do a very simple activity to check our biodiversity within our backyards, our communities, or even parks. Now, biodiversity is a very large word, but if we break it down into two sections, bio in Latin means life, and diversity can be simplified into something like variety. So biodiversity means life's variety on Earth. When you're looking around me right now though, it looks like just a bunch of grass. And often that's what we think when we see our backyards or parks, that it's just a bunch of grass and trees. But you would be surprised about the amount of life that is crawling around you right now. So this is a hula hoop sampling project. All you need is a hula hoop or even a string to make a hoop, and you put it down on the ground, anywhere in your backyard, anywhere in a park. Then you're gonna need a magnifying glass or your own eyes, and you're gonna just take 5 minutes and try to spot as many species of plants or insects that you can find within this hoop. While you're looking at the different critters that you can find or the different plants that are within this hula hoop, you can actually record this as well. One way is just by writing it down or drawing the different species of plants and insects that you're seeing. Or you can go one step further and get an app on your phone or your iPad called iNaturalist. And basically all you have to do in that case is take a picture of the plant or insect that you're looking at. It will identify it for you and it will send it out to everyone in the world. They can see your observation and they can help you identify it further. Scientists actually will use this information for their own research as well. So it's really, really cool to use an app like that. Or you can just go the simple way and write it down and keep your own little journal of the biodiversity in your backyard or in your park. From doing this activity, it will really open your eyes to the amount of biodiversity that we are surrounded by. Even within just a little patch of grass like this, doesn't seem like a whole lot is going on, but there are many species of plants and insects just crawling within this one little hula hoop. So thank you for joining me once again, everyone, and please share what you have found in your backyard or a park nearby, and we hope to hear from you soon. Hope everyone is well. Bye-bye.